I've been excited about Arctic Shores for about 3.5 years now, and what's great about Arctic Shores is that it really brings that to life, and it makes candidates feel that they're not taking an assessment, and it's something new, something different. And in the marketplace that I work in within the graduate recruitment space, it just provides a whole new flavour of assessment for candidates.
So Arctic Shores came along, recommended to us by a number of our managers, hiring managers within the business, and it was really interesting to see how gamification, certainly with Arctic Shores, can help us really test for our culture fit. We hadn't come across any other organisation that really helped us to do that in a way that we felt was valid and had some real science behind it. So when we first met you guys, it was I was really glad to see that we had an opportunity to introduce something, and part of our strategy for the City and Guilds Group is to move much more into a digitalised way of working, and so it fitted both our strategy from a business perspective and also met the requirements for our recruitment process. So we're delighted.
We just signed a contract with Arctic Shores to become the reseller for the Dutch market, so we're quite excited to be here, to see their cases and actually learn more about the science behind it as well.
Currently we're using games-based assessment in the UK for our apprentice recruitment, and we are now using, because of the success of that project, now using it for our intern and grad hires, but also looking at opportunities for learning and development across the globe, as well as talent acquisition across the globe as well.
I'm excited about Arctic Shores because it actually just shows that they're actually doing something different in the market. I think what a lot of companies out there, a lot of people are looking at gamification, trialing gamification. I think what Arctic Shores is they're doing something different in the market, but most importantly, I think for me as a client, they're doing something as far as listening to the clients and the clients' needs and trying to make those adjustments and taking those suggestions on board. And I think that's really important when you're looking at a business partner, when you're working closely with a vendor.
For us, it's very important to put the candidate experience at the heart of what we do. So what brought us to Arctic Shores was the fact that I think assessment, we need to do things in a different way, and we need to think about the impact that it has on the branding of the company, on the impact that it has just on the experience of the person themselves. Cognitive tests can often be seen as stressful. We need to address that, I think, in assessment. So we're really looking for a company like Arctic Shores where you're taking care in terms of the science, but also taking care in terms of the experience, the immediate feedback, and looking to see how we can innovate this experience going forward that today could be seen as stressful.